Today I'm replacing myself with AI because right now, every time someone signs up, I have to go sit down, open Google Meet, do a 30-minute intake call, ask them about their business, take notes, write custom video ad scripts, hooks, bodies, call to actions, format it all nice, draft an email, send everything off. 2 hours of my life gone every single time. And the dumb part is I'm doing the exact same thing every single time as well. So now it's time to make me unnecessary. In this video, it's like, what is the tool that we're gonna use? You can go try this out, get your free scripts. I haven't put it behind a paywall yet, so if it's still not behind a paywall, go to, all right, so I'm gonna hit generate. Boom, look at that, we got a nice little animation happening. There we go, I got a text from the AI agent to, oh, okay, here we go. There we go, there they are. I'm Nolan Grout. I use AI agents every single day to help me and my clients get more business in the door. Here's the thing nobody tells you about automating one process. It doesn't just save you that time up front. It ends up compounding because now that you've got those hours back, you can automate the next thing and the next thing. And suddenly your business, it's not dependent on you being in the chair operating 8 hours a day anymore. It runs, you just steer it. I mean, think about how you spent your time this past week, right? How much of it was actually moving your business forward versus just kind of keeping things running or keeping the lights on? For most business owners, it's 80% keeping the lights on and 20% actually growing. So now imagine flipping that. What changes if you were to get 4, 5, 6 hours back every single day to work on the stuff that actually makes you more money? Okay, so what are we actually going to be automating or replacing me with AI with? Well, right now I realize the thing that I'm doing every single day that's just keeping the lights on is onboarding. And the onboarding process that I take people through to do batch video ad creative testing is exactly the same every single time. The only difference is their pain points, the business name, and maybe their offer. So what are we going to have to do in order to automate this? Well, I got to think of all the inputs and then the outputs that occur from that. So what are the different inputs that I need for my thing to work? Well, I need to get their pain points, 3, 5, 10 pain points, and their solutions to those pain points. I need to collect their business info, the area they work in, who their target audience is. I need to see if they have a lead magnet. What does their landing page look like? So connect a link to that or collect a link to that. And that's most everything. I might be missing 1 or 2 things, but that's the first step. Figure out what are the inputs for the process that you're trying to have AI take over, okay? Now, one caveat is this process, whatever process you're going to be choosing to automate, every single time it should be pretty much the same thing, just the information or the data, the inputs, they can switch, but the actual overall process has to be the same every single time, okay? Just keep that in mind. Now, what are the inputs that I need or into the system to be able to do this stuff automatically? Well, I need to know their target audience so that I can write the scripts. I need to know their website and landing page so that I can pull their brand voice and like they're basically everything about their company. I need the pain points and their solutions to each of those pain points. I need to know their offer. I need to know all of these things so that the scripts come out great. Oh, and one more thing I forgot. Credibility claims. I need credibility claims. See, this is why we write everything out just briefly so that we can make sure we have everything. So, we've been in business for 20 years type of a thing. And then what outputs? Well, only 2 outputs, so it should actually be pretty easy to make this happen. We need the scripts and we need the email. Now, within the scripts, there's a few things like verifying cohesion and whatever. The email's a template every time, so that's going to be super easy to do. And yeah, so let's get started. So here we are on the computer now, and you can see this is the landing page that I run people to with my ads. And, get your first batch of 300 video ads free. Boom. And then, they would put their info in here and then book a call with me. So this is the current flow of everything. And let's just say that this is what I want to fix up, right? What's your monthly ad spend? $5,000. But essentially right now they do this and then they book a call with me here and then I have to take an intake. So I realized, I'm like, dude, why am I doing this when I could just automate it all? Okay. So the idea is we're going to take a multi-step form like this to collect all the different inputs so that we can collect the target audience and the pain points and solutions, the offer, any lead magnet they might have, any credibility claims they might have. So how are we going to build this? Like, what is the tool that we're going to use? Well, if you've been on the channel for a little bit, you'll be familiar with this. This is Claude Code running in the terminal. So I opened up my website, the prestige.com that you just saw a second ago, and Claude has complete access to it. So it's actually going to be very, very simple. I'm just going to tell it exactly what I want to do conversationally. I'm just going to speak into it. So I want to automate my 300 batch video ads creation process. To do this, I have several inputs that we need to be able to gather on a multi-step form. I need to be able to get target audience. I need to collect their pain points and the solutions to those pain points. I need to be able to collect the business's offer. I need to be able to collect what their lead magnet's called, any credibility claims, like how long they've been in business, how much they've helped clients, or how much they've sold, or just different credibility claims. I need to know, their business's name, the website, and the landing page that we would be sending people to with the ads. So basically, I need a multi-step form that allows me to collect all that information so then we can send it off and create, it automatically. Don't code yet. Just please research, brainstorm, and come up with the process of the attack plan. I'm going to send that off. Now we're going to move on to the next part because we actually also need to create a new project to generate the scripts on autopilot. Okay, so here I am now inside of my script gen project. And basically what I'm going to do is tell it the process that I use for script writing and everything like that. So, okay, so I just basically worked with my Pocket Agent, my Pocket Assistant a little bit. You can see right here to come up with all the rules that I've given it to help me write the scripts. Because in the past, this was helping me write the scripts, but I'd still come in, manually do it. And so now we're just going to automate that, right? So it has all of the different things that I require. Hooks and meets are independent. Desire hooks over pain hooks. Meets do the heavy lifting. No call to actions in the meets. Keep the meets tight. Meet is the body of the video. I just call it meets because it's just easier. Hook pattern variety. No pricing in meets. Hook distribution. So it's got the 18 rules. I'm going to take these and I'm going to send them over to this script gen project. So I'll copy these. I'm going to say, here are my script writing rules. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the beginning before that. And I'm going to basically say this. Let's go with, I need to automate my script writing process based on a multi-step form submission that will be collecting target audience, website and landing page, pain points and solutions, offer, lead magnet, any credibility claims, like how much they've sold, how many years they've been in business, how many clients they've helped, things like that. Okay, so I'm going to let that paste real quick. And then what we're going to do is I'm actually going to take the link to the Prestige project, wherever it is on the side here. Let's point this Claude inside my script gen. So I'm in the script gen project right now. And I'm going to paste in the link to the other project and be like, this is where the form lives. It's on / free ads and get ads page. Or no, I'm making a new page called / batch video ads. So it's going to be on that page / batch video ads so that it knows where to find the multi-step form I'm talking about so that it can grab the inputs for me and I don't have to tell it the exact stuff. Boom. So it's on here. Here are my script writing rules, and I just pasted that. And then I'm just going to say, don't code yet. This is brainstorming and discussion to make sure we're on the same page. So you can give it the brainstorming and discussion prompt to make sure that the first time it actually puts work in, that it's going to be accurate to what you want. I'm going to send that off.
2 hours later.
Created this new form on this was what that first prompt I showed you was from. So now we have all these different steps. And now we're just going to link them together. The script writing, this new script gen program I'm making, and this one, we're just going to link them together. So that's how that works. Boom. Here's the pain points. Look, I can add different pain points. They slide kind of nice, swipe or drag to navigate, or you can hit the next button at the bottom. But yeah, so fill this out. Let's just say creative testing is hard. We do it for you. I don't know. I'm not trying to go too crazy on this, but I'm just trying to show you the form real quick. So boom, and then target audience, you could do homeowners. Okay, I guess that's not going to work. Homeowners, boom. Your offer, free 300 video ads. First batch, 24-hour turnaround. Something like that, right? Let's just say something like that. Lead magnet name, we're just going to skip that for now. And then boom, credibility and stats. So they're all there. Every single thing that we need. 5 mil, 6,000 clients helped. All right. So you can see here, we filled out that whole form. Oh, and the website and landing page, right? Boom. Oh, make it a URL. So this is what we're testing together, but this is the goal here, kind of a thing. Boom. And then I could click generate my ads, and then it'll call the script gen project, and then our scripts will generate. And then in the script, I think in the script gen project, I'm probably going to add resend, which is basically email for developers. It's just a really easy way to set up email that will actually get delivered to the inbox instead of spam. So I'm going to use resend for that. But yeah, I mean, this isn't a technical how-to video. This is I'm showing you how I'm replacing myself with AI video. So for technical how-tos, join the school community, come hang out. It's a good time. It's a lot of fun, but I hope to see you there anyways. And yeah, I know if I click generate my ads right now, it's just going to pull up that calendar again because I haven't built everything out. So I'll be back once the script gen program is built out and we can finish this video.
2 hours later.
Boom, here it is. All right, so I got everything automated. I want to show you guys exactly how this works. So here's the new landing page. I totally changed it up. I'm not just doing the one offer. I'm just going to sell these batch by batch because at this point, if I can automate the whole thing, well, then that's a pretty damn good business, right? So here's the form that I was showing you earlier. Now I got it working. So let me run through it and I can show you exactly what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to pick up here. The other stuff was just like my email and my name and whatever again. So pain points I filled out. I don't know what to say on camera. I'm worried my ads are just going to be terrible, not convert anybody. So, and then my solution, whatever, boom. So I did my 3 pain points. Now I'll go next. Who's my ideal target audience and how to stop ad fatigue. I don't know if they don't convert anybody, we'll work for free until we'll get you another batch that does. Boom. There's our offer. And then lead magnet name, we're just going to do none. We don't do a lead magnet right now. And we're just going to say average client takes 13 minutes to film 300 ads in and out in under 20 minutes. That's probably our best credibility claim for now. And then if I do my website, and we'll just do this landing page, because again, this is going to get sent to the AI so that it can look at the landing page and the website and understand the company further. All right, so I'm going to hit generate. Boom, look at that. We got a nice little animation happening. Let's see if I get a text coming in. There we go. I got a text from the AI agent to So my AI just texted me, hey, Nolan, it's Jules here. Did you happen to get all set with the video ads? They can still book a call with me if they want. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. There they are. All right, so hi, Nolan Grout. Attach, you'll find the scripts. Record everything in one take. Do not stop the camera. So boom, there you go. And then here's the video. It's the correct link. Yep, it's the correct link. And then here's the image. And here's the new hooks or the new scripts. Stop guessing which ad creative will work. Stop knowing. So how many winning ads do you have in your pipeline right now? The advertising world changes every 24 hours. And then we look, let's go look at the meets. The average client takes 13 minutes from 300 video ads with us. Most, boom, yeah. Start with the credibility claim. I would definitely try that in one of the ads for sure. Boom, call out the pain point directly. Boom, call out the solution pain point directly in the beginning of the meet, right after the hook. These nailed my formula. They absolutely nailed my formula. These are straight, actually talking to the person. It's not some generic ass marketing speak. This system produces more winning ads in a day than most agencies do in months. I mean, I'm just talking to you as a homie. Like, this isn't, I'm not doing marketing jargon. So this actually nailed exactly what I want. So yes, this is a huge success. Completely replaced myself on the intake and onboarding portion of the business. I've replaced myself with the actual video ad editing portion. Now I just need to do the middle, which is like the file uploading, and then we're going to be all done. But I'll save that for another video because this is already getting way too long. Guys, look, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, hit the hype button, all of that. You know, my name's Nolan. I'm just hyped right now because now you can go try this out, get your free scripts. I haven't put it behind a paywall yet. So if it's still not behind a paywall, go to prestige.com/batch-video-ads. I'll put the link in the description below. Go get yourself 300 free video scripts. Send it to me. I'll get them edited for you. You know, we'll work something out, right? When you send me some, whatever. You got what I'm saying. Anyways, that's what we just did. We just replaced myself with AI. Like, it did everything. It did absolutely everything. I know I didn't show you the middle, like, build out, but I wasn't trying to make this a boring technical display. I mean, that would take hours, and who the hell wants to watch that? So anyways, yeah, look, I'm all set. This whole system still works. You're boom, bada bang, boom. Thanks for watching, and peace out.